everyone, we just wanted to share a video on how to do your payment plan here at St. Martin's University. So you should have already had a one-on-one financial aid talk with your counselor. If you hadn't, please go ahead and schedule that ASAP. If you did, great. So this is what you should have seen already. This is an estimate sheet that we go over based off of where your money goes and what you're being charged for. At the bottom of this estimate sheet here, this student is going to be paying about $19,000 for the year. So we don't expect that in one paycheck. We completely understand. So we can go ahead and do a payment plan as an option. So below here, we use a business called NelNet. This third-party system is something that all of our students with payment plans use. It costs $77 to set up the plan, but after you pay the $77, there's no charges that will be billed to you if you need to change at any point in time. So the breakdown here, it tells you for $19,000 for the whole year, if I need to split that up over 11 months, your monthly payment is going to be $1,700 roughly. Where do you set that up? You're going to go ahead and click this link here, set up your payment plan. It's going to take you to another website. This is our NelNet website specific to St. Martin's. It has all the information here that talks about how much the plans will cost and the other options that they have. So they do have a $67 fee per semester or $77 fee per year. I recommend the per year just because you can change it at any point at no cost, versus if you only pay per semester, you're going to have to pay $67 each semester. But if that works for you, go ahead and pick whatever option is best for your family. It also has how to enroll down here. There's a video if you are more of a visual person, but I wanted to show you folks to enroll students, you will need to set up your account first and then add whoever's going to be paying on your behalf as an authorized payer. So to go through that, go ahead and move forward to enroll today. And you're going to go ahead and create a username and password and start your account that way. Now, once you make it to the point where you figure out how much you need to put into your balance, you're going to use that estimate here on that Excel sheet that will help you break down the cost of what you will be paying every month. If at any point in time you have any questions or you are still confused with how this works, definitely reach out to your counselors or anyone here in the admissions office, and we are happy to help. For a more accurate balance, this of course is your estimate sheet before you register for classes. You will then get the information you need and what your exact amount will be closer to when school starts. So if any point in time you want a more updated or accurate number, go ahead and call the financial aid office. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to welcome you here on campus.